Hello everyone, welcome back with Krita basic tutorials how to make background transparent. Okay, for example, I will open example image. You can click open tools and I will use this image. Click open again. So if you want to make this background image transparent, you can use these tools. Continuous selection tools, can click and click outside in this white color, press create button, so it will be automatically create background transparency. You also can click select and click deselect. Okay, you can move these objects. It will be automatically transparent in background. The other option, you can use these tools, polygonal selection tools. Okay, like I will select at these points. Okay, we create simple selections. You can use zoom tools by pressing middle mouse to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, like this. We create simple sketch. Okay, now you can press Ctrl X to cut and press Ctrl V to paste. You can deselect again, click here and deselect. We have two layers in it, backgrounds, and this is for the first. If you uncheck in it, it will be automatically visible and create background color for this sketch. You can see, you can click at these points and we can move this sketch. You also can view again for backgrounds in it and this sketch. Okay, that's it, how to make background color in Krita. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.